This is how we foam roll our IT band. IT band is a piece of connective tissue down here that runs alongside the thigh, connects into your TFL, which is one of your hip flexor muscles. So we're going to try to apply pressure using the foam roller to loosen it up a little bit. Okay, so we want to go the whole length of the upper leg here, to the knee, all the way up close to the hip bone there. Okay, so position the roller just below the hip bone there, and then you drop to your elbow. You can cross this foot in front, all of these to help support your weight, but you're also trying to put as much pressure into the roller as you can. Okay, right now I'm foam rolling the upper part of my IT band. Okay, and then I can reposition the roller to get more of the middle part. Okay, any areas that feel especially tight, you should stop and spend a little time there. Okay, and then reposition again, and I'll get the lower part of my IT band down close to my knee. Okay, and that's how you foam roll your IT band.